Dashrath's Yajna. After getting married, Anjana and Kesari were very happy together. They prayed to Lord Shiv and Goddess Parvati every day. In the meantime, a just king named Dashrath ruled a land called Ayodhya. He was unhappy as he did not have a child. He was advised to perform a yajna, which was presided over by sage Rishyasringa. At the end of the yajna, Lord Agni emerged and gave the king some pudding. He was then asked to share it among his 3 wives. Kaushalya and Kaikeyi got the pudding from the. When Dashrath was about to give the pudding to Sumitra, a bird swooped down, snatched the pudding, and flew away quickly. Instantly, Kaushalya and Kaikeyi gave half of their share to Sumitra. Sumitra, who got double share of the pudding, gave birth to twins, Lakshman and Shatrughna. Kaushalya gave birth to Ram and Kaikeyi to Bharat. Suvarchala, an Apsara and a bird. There is a story about the bird that had stolen the pudding. This bird was actually an Apsara named Suvarchala. Now, Suvarchala was extremely reckless. Many a time, she did not think before she acted. Once, Lord Brahma was furious at her for her rash behavior. He caused her to be a bird on earth. Suvarchala was repentant and begged Brahma's forgiveness. She promised that she would mend her ways. Brahma told Suvarchala that he could not take back the curse and that she would have to live as a bird on earth. However, Brahma assured her that she would be freed from the curse whenever she touched the pudding given to King Dashrath by Lord Agni. Impatient to be free from this curse that had befallen her, Suvarchala snatched away the pudding from Sumitra. Instantly, her form changed and she turned back into an Apsara. Anjana gives birth to Anjanae. Suvarchala turned back into an Apsara. But while doing so, the pudding that she held in her claws fell towards the ground. The wind god, with the blessing of Shiv, blew the pudding towards the forest where Anjana resided. The pudding fell into Anjana's hands when she and Kesari were returning to their home after offering prayers to Shiv. The moment the pudding fell into her hands, they heard a divine voice. "Accept this pudding, Anjana. It has the blessings of Shiv and the power of the wind god. You will soon give birth to a boy who will be the incarnation of Shiv and as powerful as the wind god." Kesari, who was standing near Anjana, asked her to eat the pudding. Both Anjana and Kesari were delighted. Soon, Anjana gave birth to Anjanae, the son of Anjana, and subsequently, Anjana was freed from the curse. The mischievous Anjanae. Anjana, who was freed from the curse, longed to visit heaven One day, she told her son, Anjanae, I am going to meet my sisters. Do you want to come along with me? Anjanae made a face. No, mother, I am not coming. I will get bored there. Anjana grimaced and said, I will come back soon, dear. Till then, you can play with your friends. What if I feel hungry, mother? Asked Anjanae. Eat fruits, Anjanae. There are lots of fruits on the trees, smiled Anjana. Which fruits should I eat, mother? The innocent child asked again. Son, eat any fruit that appears as bright as the rising sun. Anjana said. Anjanae got bored after some time. A little while later, he started feeling hungry too. He glanced at the rising sun, and his mother's words rang in his ears. You can eat any fruit that is as bright as the sun.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.